Hey friends. Okay, so I really wanted to put out some great content for you on today, Tuesday, on my YouTube channel, but I was having a little bit of technical difficulties. So I filmed my whole process and only half of the videos are uploading for some reason. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do it again. But I wanted to kind of explain the process so that way you can hear it first and then visually, hopefully it makes sense to you. I'll just put together what I have for right now and then I'll go through and just redo everything. So I wanted to mimic nature, and we all wear our hair up in a ponytail when we go outside. So that's how I came up with top knot balayage. So what I'll do is I will section an inch around the hairline and put everything up into a ponytail, like right here, just at the top. And I'll take this out. I'll have a plastic cap that I'll cut a hole into and put it over the ponytail. That way it covers all of this area. Since I want this lighter piece to pop, I'm gonna have it like darker right behind it. But since the ponytail is just right here, it gives just enough depth, because I do go back and I highlight the ponytail too. So it gives just enough depth right in here and then brightness all the way around. So after I cut the hole through, I'll have a plastic cap on the head, and then I'll take the ponytail. So I have one rubber band around it already, and then I make like a little swirly top knot and then put another band on top. And then that way I can take it down easier for the next step later. So with my sectioning, I usually take like 2 to 3 inch sections just around the face. So like this would be a section, here's a section, here's a section. I take my blow dryer and I just blow dry at the roots, because then it's gonna take all of these baby hairs out. So that way you're not gonna have this harsh line. It's really blended when it comes back. So from here, I'll just take, I usually use 20 volume. It depends on the look that you're wanting to do. I mean, of course, you could use up to 40 if you're doing open air balayage. But for me, I usually use 20, and I just let it sit and sit and sit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have all these hairs out. You're gonna paint all of this and just paint it down and then saturate everything all the way through. And when you lay it down, me personally, I don't paint this side. I just paint this side. And when I lay it down, I just wrap it around, because you still have your knot right here. I just wrap it around and lay it down. And so the same for this section. Once I'm done, I just like wrap it around the knot. So all the way around, you're gonna have these swirls. And this is where you can kind of play with the hair color. You can do both sides if you need some extra brightness. You could probably even foil this if you need to get really light. It's really customizable, which is what I like about hair in general. And even at the bowl, if you need to brighten up those ends, you can always just take your extra lightener, if you have any, just put it over those ends and brighten those right up. Okay, so after I have all that done, and you have all the swirl around the knot, you're gonna take this knot down. And that's why I have 2 bands. So you take the knot down, and I usually, like, I'll take it, the ponytail, like section by section. So about an inch, like I'll keep going down all the way through, if that makes sense. I didn't do my hair this morning. This is me. I just have my coffee and I just woke up, so no like crazy makeup or my hair done. I'm just wearing a t-shirt. So once you get that ponytail, you're gonna do that same technique. You're gonna blow dry the roots and then you're gonna paint on. So you're gonna have this ponytail, you're just gonna have these painted ends all the way through. So I'll just let that process. I mean, it's very saturated. Saturation is key. If you want that lift, you don't want to be able to see through the hair. So I hope you notice when I upload my video that everything is just like completely white. So once you have all that done, then you just take them to the bowl, rinse them, pick your toner, and that's pretty much it. Like, you have this really nice seamless blend. You're gonna have all this brightness for when they wear it up going through, but because you blow dried the roots, you're not gonna have these harsh lines, and it gives you like that perfect money piece right in the front. And that's one of the reasons why I created this, because I was always having trouble doing the perfect money piece. I would always foil right here and leave like a little area of darkness so it would pop, but I don't know, I just didn't like the way it looked versus this part. So if you try this, please let me know how you like it, and if you tweak it, I mean, that's what hair is for. Like, we all do something, we all take something and then we make it our own, and that's what you're supposed to do. So if you play with it, just let me know. Like, I would love to see your results, and you can tag me. I'll put like my Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, message me and I'll actually reply, because I do want to help you, whether it's this or whether it's just a hair question in general. I don't know everything, but I would love to help you. So you can message me, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Email. I'll leave all my links below. So I hope this makes sense to you, and yeah, next time I'm gonna redo it. It's gonna be nicer. And I did it on a mannequin that has like red hair, so I feel like I didn't do a good job of like my model, because I really want you to see this like night and day difference. So I might get a mannequin that has like dark hair and just process it really blonde. Maybe I'll even show you in foils next time. But I hope you see a difference. I mean, I can, it just doesn't pick up on camera that well. But yeah, it's just, this look is for overall brightness, highlights, natural look. And it only took me like 15-20 minutes to apply, which is another thing that I really like. I was looking for something that I could get a lot of coverage that wasn't going to take a lot of time, because I'm the type of stylist, I will go through every single piece of hair because I want every single piece to be perfect and lay right and have depth and lightness, and I can't do that in the real world. Like, people have to be somewhere. So this is a really quick application with really big results. So try it, let me know how you like it, and thanks for watching.